G'day everyone, back again. As you can see, still haven't had any rain. Everything's still dry and dead and nothing growing, and yeah, starting to get a few guavas ready. This one here, which is supposed to be the Indian guava, but Indian guavas are supposed to have white flesh, and as you can see, this one's got pink flesh, so don't exactly know what sort of guava this one is. Some sort of, might be a Hawaiian guava or some other sort of pink fleshed one, but yeah, not too bad tasting. Big hard seeds in them, but we got this one here. It's supposed to be a Hawaiian guava, and had our first fruit off it. And as you can see, they're a bit bigger, nice size. Bite of this one. They're pink flesh too, with big seeds, but slightly different shape. But yeah, pretty sure this one must be a Hawaiian guava, and the other one's either some sort of Hawaiian guava or something else, but yeah. Anyway, we've lost a few of the smaller trees over the last couple of months. Yeah, yellow cherry guava's died. That was another Hawaiian guava that's died. Mango seedling there that's died. All the figs are struggling, but they're not dead yet. This little mango seedling's doing alright. It's got some new growth and starting to get eaten by the bugs, but can't blame them. I guess there's nothing else for them to eat. These natal plums are still surviving somehow. No water all summer, and they're still green. I've got a white mulberry down there that's pretty much died. It's got one green leaf down the bottom. This Vajoa's struggling, still alive. That should make it through. These lily pillies, a couple of them here, both died. Yeah, as you can see, everything's still brown and dead, and yeah, not good. A few things are still doing alright, surprisingly. Now the golden delicious apple, that's all finished now. I've got heaps off that. I only just picked the last ones not long ago. And you can see a flower in there. Don't think it knows what season it is. Yeah, it's weird season, weird year. Cherries even had a couple of new flowers there. You can sort of see, thinks it's spring again. New leaves. Normally everything's dormant, and all these peaches and apricots and whatnot, none of them got any leaves this time of year by now, but yeah, they all still think it's summer or spring. And yeah, this macadamia is doing really well, got another burst of new growth, and don't know how, but yeah, that one's struggling still, but it's still alive. And one thing that's surprisingly doing really well is the black sapotes. I'll hold my hand up next to them, you'll be able to see how big they are. Yeah, surprisingly they're doing really well. When you see all the grass around this apple here, normally this whole area, paddock's just full of grass that size everywhere, all around the batters and trees, and normally get these southsobs. Well, southsobs is one name we call them, and I think they've got another name, can't remember what it is, but Yeah, the old Jaboticaba tree died. Going to replace that with a jackfruit, which I've got in the greenhouse ready to go. I'll wait till spring though, if we even get a winter. If not, I may as well plant it soon. What's that one, the Grumachama? Yeah, that's done really well. See the Imperial Mandarins loaded. That should keep us going for a while. Yeah, the old mulberries, that's starting to have shooting out new fruit and new growth. Doesn't know what season it is. I mean, that one just grows all the time anyway, but yeah, these little weeds here, these soursops, this whole area, everywhere is just filled with them all around the trees. Normally you're struggling to keep the weeds down at this time of year and you're mowing every second week, but yeah, this year's just nothing. Bacon avo's doing alright, done well with the lemon gold white sapote. And the Haas avo, put a bit more care into them, they're doing alright. I had to take the cover off of this one, she was growing too big and kept outgrowing it, which is a good sign. And you'll have to look into what time, there's a few avos on it, I'll have to have a look and see what time they're ready. Yeah, as you can see over here, you got westringas, just big bushes just dying, which yeah, you normally never have to water them or do anything. See, the smaller ones seem to be doing alright, but the bigger ones here just dead. And there's another big one back there that's just dead. The long one doesn't seem to mind the heat. I'm giving it a bit extra care, and still got some fruit on there, which shouldn't be too far away from picking. Might give it another, don't know whether I have to ripen it inside or what the go is, but give it another week or two and see how it's looking. Seedling avo's still surviving somehow. Thought the bugs are smashing that too. Right at the top there, it's got aphids by the looks of them. I might have to get some eco oil or something onto that one. A bit unusual to get aphids this time of year. Yeah, more of those soursops coming up in there, which yeah, normally this whole area is just green and lush and struggling to keep on top of the weeds, but yeah, as you can see, very different this year. I've done well to keep as many things alive as what I have, but yeah, anyway, if anyone can identify the guavas for us, I'll put them down somewhere, you can see which one's which. I'm pretty sure that's the Hawaiian. That one there was supposed to be an Indian, but they're both pink flesh and yeah, reasonably sweet for guavas. Not normally this sweet, but I guess with the dry year we've had, it's a few more sugars have developed. But yeah, anyway, hopefully next video we've had a bit more rain and yeah, give us a bit of a relief anyway. Alright, see you next time.